Okay, so I'm about to take this bag of sawdust and turn it into something not only functional, but maybe even profitable. All right, so I have a few things here. I have a candle. I have some paper cups, and I have a ladle, all from the dollar store. I also have a cheap pan that I got at Goodwill, $3.99, but it was the buy of the week, half off, so $2. And the important part here, I have this little burner. I think I grabbed it for like 10 bucks at Harbor Freight. Let's make something. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna turn on this little burner, and you don't need this little burner, any heat source at work. I'm gonna put the pan on here. I'm gonna open up this candle. Again, this is from Dollar Tree, so $1.25. I have a whole video series going on Dollar Tree buys for woodworkers, so make sure you check that out. All right, ooh, this thing gets hot quick. Take the sticker off, and I don't even need all of this. I'm gonna cut a little section off of it. All right, just grab the box cutter. I just want to take a nice chunk out of this candle. I'm just getting some pieces like that. I'm gonna drop them into that pan. Back on. Again, I'm just kind of carving away at some. Again, just taking chunks, and I'm dropping them into that pan, and they are going to start melting. So I'll just take some more chunks out of here. You see them melting pretty quickly. Now, honestly, if it's a smaller candle, you could just throw the whole candle right in there. I'm just doing this so it melts nice and quick. All right, now I'm going to open up these cups. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just scoop up a little bit of sawdust. Let me reach right in my little bag here. Sawdust chips from the lathe. Basically just doing something like that. It's filled about 3/4 of the way. All right, now as this is melting here, you see it's getting liquidy. That is wax. So what I'm gonna do, make this so we can see. Scoop up some wax, don't need a ton. And I'm just going to dump it over the wood. Not a whole lot needed, maybe a little bit more than that. And I'm done. So what is it? Fire starters. So the wax is going to burn slow. You have your wood chips, sawdust, whatever you have in here. You light the cup on fire. These will burn for usually at least a good 5 minutes. So you're going camping or something, take these with you, light it, put it under the fire, or put it under the wood to start a fire. You're good. Now, I've seen people take the cups, decorate the cups, fill these up a little bit more. You can make it look a little bit nicer. And I've seen people sell these for $1 a piece. Even if you sell them 2 for $1, I got, for $1.25, I got 36 cups, plus $1.25 for a candle, and the ladle, which was $1.25. But so let's say I sold these 2 for $1. That's 18 of them. $18 for like $3 worth of stuff, and I'm using up some of my sawdust. So you're gonna get rich on these? Probably not. Is it a good way to use up your sawdust? Absolutely. And if you don't want to sell them, keep them handy. If you like to camp, you like to have a bonfire out back, they just come in handy. You know, reduce, reuse, recycle.